Imagine a screaming four-cylinder engine, redlining at 12,500 RPM, wrapped in a retro-futuristic body that looks like nothing else on the road, and all for a price that makes the big-name brands sweat. This is the 2026 CFMOTO 500 SR VOOM. And today, we're finding out if this retro beast is actually better than its sharp track-focused sibling. What is up, everyone? Now, every once in a while, a company does something so bold it forces the entire industry to stop and look. CFMOTO just did exactly that. After the massive buzz surrounding their four-cylinder 500 SR, everyone thought the older VOOM aesthetic might fade away. But no, CFMOTO just officially launched the 2026 500 SR VOOM, and it is officially on sale today. Priced at 28,580 yuan in China, it actually comes in slightly cheaper than the standard 500 SR. Now, if you're looking at these two bikes, you know they share the same DNA, the same platform, the same heart. But the way they deliver that experience is worlds apart. Today, we are diving deep into the subtle, the technical and the mechanical differences that you need to know before you even think about putting a deposit down. Let's start with the most obvious thing. The way this thing looks. The 2026 500 SR VOOM isn't trying to look like a modern stealth fighter. It is doubling down on that retro sport bike heritage. It's got that classic silhouette that reminds you of the golden era of racing, but with a high-tech twist. For 2026, CFMOTO has introduced two standout color schemes. First, we have Bachata Red. This is a stunning red and white combination that is genuinely stylish. It's vibrant, it's youthful, and it's going to turn heads at every single traffic light. If you want something a bit more stealth, they've added Space Gray. This is much more understated, perfect for those of you who want the performance without the look-at-me flashiness. Compare that to the standard 500 SR, which is all about sharp lines and aggressive angles. The 500 SR looks like it's built for the track, while the VOOM looks like it's built for the lifestyle. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast. Underneath that retro fairing lies a masterpiece of engineering, a four-cylinder engine that is identical in both models. We are looking at a base output of 58 kilowatt, which is roughly 78.8 horsepower, peaking at a staggering 12,500 RPM. But here is where it gets high-tech. Both bikes feature a ram air intake system. This isn't just for show. When you cross that 120 km/h mark, the system forces air into the engine. That's boosting your peak power to 61 kilowatt or around 82.9 horsepower, and pushing your torque to 49 Nm. Whether you're on the VOOM or the 500 Senior, the engine note and the raw acceleration are going to be nearly identical. It's smooth, it's high revving, and it's got that classic inline for howl that we all love. If the engines are the same, where are you actually spending your money? It comes down to the handling. Both bikes use a chrome molybdenum steel trellis frame, paired with an aluminum alloy subframe. This means the core rigidity and the fundamental stability are top tier for both. However, the suspension is where the paths diverge. The 2026 500 SR VOOM features 41 mm inverted front forks with adjustable damping and a multi-link centrally mounted rear shock, while the 500 SR gets a fully adjustable setup. The VOOM's adjustment range is a little narrower. Now, for 90% of riders, the VOOM is perfectly adequate for daily city commutes and carving up mountain roads. But if you are a track day enthusiast who needs to tune every millimeter of your suspension for a specific corner, the 500 SR's extra flexibility gives it the edge in pure racing conditions. Now let's talk about braking and safety. Safety is another area where CFMOTO has made some strategic choices. Both bikes utilize a dual front disc and single rear disc setup, but they use different hardware. The 500 SR comes with Nissan calipers, whereas the 2026 500 SR VOOM uses CFMOTO's in-house brand. But don't let that worry you. Both motorcycles come absolutely loaded with safety tech as standard. You're getting dual-channel ABS, TCS traction control, adjustable steering dampers to prevent those scary high-speed wobbles, and a one-way quick shifter for those lightning-fast gear changes. It's a comprehensive package that ensures you're safe whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. The next part is, how does it feel to actually sit on? This is where the VOOM might win over a lot of people. The standard seat height on the 2026 VOOM is 795 mm, which is 10 mm lower than the 500 SR's 805 mm. CFMOTO also offers optional seat heights of 785 mm and 815 mm. This makes the VOOM much more accessible for shorter riders, making it easier to get your feet flat on the ground at a stop. There is a weight trade-off though. The VOOM has a curb weight of 194 kilograms, which makes it 7 kilograms heavier than the 500 SR. When you're flicking the bike through tight S-curves, you might notice that the 500 SR feels just a tiny bit lighter and more toss-able, but the VOOM feels planted and stable. Inside the cockpit, the VOOM keeps things functional but slightly more compact. You get a 5-inch instrument panel, which is a bit smaller than the 6.2-inch unit on the 500 SR. However, the actual display quality and the features you get are essentially the same. You're not missing out on any of the smart features. We are talking automatic headlights and auto-canceling turn signals, ESS emergency brake lights to warn people behind you during hard stops. You also get tire pressure monitoring, full vehicle connectivity and location functions, and of course, a charging port for your gear. So, which one should you buy? The 2026 CFMOTO 500 SR VOOM and the 500 SR are two different flavors of the same high-performance meal. If you want an aggressive, sharp-edged track weapon with ultimate suspension adjustability, the 500 SR is your bike. But if you love that retro modern aesthetic, want a slightly more comfortable seat height, and want to save a little bit of money without sacrificing that incredible 82 horsepower engine, then the 2026 500 SR VOOM is a phenomenal choice. At the end of the day, the core engine and frame are identical, meaning your daily riding experience is going to be fantastic on either one. It really comes down to which style makes you look back at your bike after you park it. So, which one are you picking? The retro VOOM or the sporty SR? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.